The neon sign of Lou's Diner buzzed, a lonely beacon in the New Jersey night. Inside, Sarah, a young woman with a determined jaw and a worn leather jacket, sat alone at the counter. She clutched a lukewarm coffee, her eyes scanning the blurry newspaper clipping, the last known photo of her missing sister. Suddenly, a bulky, pinstripe-suited man slid onto the stool beside her. "Looking for something, sweetheart?" he rasped, his voice gravelly. Sarah didn't flinch. "Just catching up on the news," she lied, folding the paper. He gave a slow, cynical smile, the kind that promised trouble and cheap thrills. "Some stories you gotta write yourself, especially the ones about people who vanish." The aroma of old coffee and a new mystery hung heavy in the air. Sarah knew the game had just started.